Good morning students, welcome back to Seba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied trigonometric identities. Today we are going to see some formulae like sum and difference of trigonometric ratios formulae. Okay, sum and difference means a plus b or a minus b. Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சைனும் காசும் வந்து மிக்ஸ் ஆகி வரும். ப்ளஸ்னா ப்ளஸ் இருக்கும், மைனஸ்னா மைனஸ் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு காஸ் ஆஃப் ஏ ப்ளஸ் பி, காஸ் ஆஃப் ஏ மைனஸ் பியில் காஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சைன் வரணும். ப்ளஸ்ஸாக இருக்கும்போது மைனஸ் இருக்கும், மைனஸாக இருக்கும்போது ப்ளஸ் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டேன் ஆஃப் ஏ ப்ளஸ் பி அண்ட் டேன் ஆஃப் ஏ மைனஸ் பி. இது வந்து சம் அண்ட் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஃபார்முலே. அண்ட் மல்டிபிள் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஃபார்முலே. மல்டிபிள் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஃபார்முலே பார்த்திங்கன்னா 2a 3a அந்த மாதிரி வரக்கூடியது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு சைன் 2aக்கு ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது, காஸ் 2aக்கு 3 ஃபார்முலாஸ் இருக்குது. காஸ் 2a in terms of cos and sin. இது வந்து சைன் மட்டும் வரக்கூடியது, காஸ் மட்டும் வரக்கூடியது. நமக்கு எந்த பிளேஸில் எது வேணுமோ அதை நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டேன் ஆஃப் 2aக்கு டேன்லேயே வரும். அடுத்தது 3a ஃபார்முலா. சைன் காஸ் டேனுக்கு 3aல ஒரு 3 ஃபார்முலாஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இது ஆல்ரெடி நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது தான். 0 30 45 60 90 180. இதுக்கு வந்து சைன் காஸ் டேன் மட்டும் மெயினாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா அதனோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலுக்கு நம்ம ஈஸியாக போடலாம். ஓகே, இதில் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது 0 டிகிரி 30 45 60 90 180ன்ட்டு இருக்குது. நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி சம்ஸ்லாம் போட போகிறோம். இந்த ஃபார்முலாவையும் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், இந்த வேல்யூஸையும் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். Now let us see exercise 4.2. 4.2ல find the values of the following. This is second subdivision. Sin of minus 105 degree is equal to minus sin of 105 degree. Why? Because sin is an odd function. Sin is an odd function. So we know very well sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, and we rewrite this 105 as sum or difference of these angles. இந்த ஆங்கிளுக்கு தான் நமக்கு தெரியுன்றதுனால அந்த ஆங்கிளை ஆட் ஆர் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இது எழுத போகிறோம். ஓகே, 105 becomes 60 plus 45, is it? 60 plus 45 equal to 105. This is of the form, write the formula a plus b. And we know a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Using this formula, and here a is 60 degree and b is 45 degree. Substituting here and minus is common, right outside, and sin a is 60, is it? Sin 60 degree cos 45 plus cos 60 into sin 45, and write the values for this. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Listen, both the denominator having same factors, that is 2 into root 2. Write as common and add the numerator, that is root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1 into 1. So this is our answer. Understood this? Next let us see second. Secondly, find the value of the following. Find the value la நமக்கு right hand side மாதிரி கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. நமக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலால left hand side கொண்டு வர போறோம். Listen, sin cos and cos sin. Sin cos cos sin na sin of some more difference வரப்போகுது. இங்கே ப்ளஸ் வரதுனால sin of a plus b type. ஓகே, pi by 4 pi by 12 pi by 4 pi by 12 ரெண்டு சேமாக இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரைட் த ஃபார்முலா. sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sin of a plus b. Here a is pi by 4 and b is pi by 12. Sin of pi by 4 plus pi by 12 is equal to, now taking LCM as 12. 12 LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 3 times வரும். 3 pi plus 1 pi is equal to sin of 4 pi by 12. That is sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. That's all. Understood? Next let us see fourth one. if cos A equal to 13 by 14 and cos B equal to 1 by 7, where A, B are acute angles, prove that A minus B equal to pi by 3. Prove that A minus B equal to pi by 3 னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம இதில் வந்து cos of A minus B or sin of A minus B எந்த ஃபார்முலா வேணால் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு given AB are acute angles. Acute means this lies in first quadrant. In the first quadrant all the ratios, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. இதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து sin cos நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். Listen, cos A is given. First cos A is 13 by 14. Okay. But we know cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse is it. Adjacent side is 13 and hypotenuse is 14. Substitute here 13 and 14. Next we have to find opposite side. We know opposite side equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse is 14. 14 square minus 13 square, square root. This is 196 minus 169 and subtracting we get 27, which is equal to 9 into 3, isn't it? Root 9 is 3 into root 3. So our opposite side is 3 into root 3. Therefore sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 3 root 3 by 14. So cos and sin find out பண்ணீங்கன்னா போதும். Next cos B is given. Cos B is 1 by 7. Here also same. Find the opposite side. Next opposite side is 4 into root 3. Next sin B is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 4 root 3 by 7. Next write cos of A minus B. ரெண்டில் எதை வேணால் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். sin of A minus B யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். cos of A minus B is equal to, we know the formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is equal to cos A. Cos A is here 13 by 14. And cos B is 1 by 7 plus sin A is 3 root 3 by 14 into sin B is 4 root 3 by 7, 4 root 3 by 7. Next it is equal to 4 into, 13 by 14 is it? Okay, 13 into 1 is 13 by 14 into 7 is 28, 98 and then plus 3 into 4 is 12 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, by 14 into 7 also 98. Now 98 is common and therefore 13 plus multiplying these two we get 36. That is 49 by 98, which is equal to half. That is cos of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. For what value of cos is 1 by 2? That is cos 60, isn't it? Cos 60 means cos pi by 3. Now cancelling cos and equating the angle, that is A minus B is equal to pi by 3. Hence proved. Then we prove பண்ணனும். A minus B equal to pi by 3. We got the answer. Hence proved. Next let us see 7th one. If A plus B equal to 45 degree, this is given, we have to use this and prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2 and also find the value of tan of 22.5 degree. Okay, first what is given? A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Apply tan on both sides, that is tan of A plus B equal to tan 45 degree. And we know the formula for this, tan of A plus B is what? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is equal to tan 45 is 1. Cross multiplying we get tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, bring this tan A tan B to left hand side. That is tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B equal to 1. Now adding 1 on both sides. 1 on both sides we get 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan b equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, combining first 2 and last 2. Here 1 plus tan a, there is no common term, so write in bracket, and plus from these two tan b is common taking outside, so 1 plus tan a inside. This is equal to 2. This is 1 plus tan a, here also 1 plus tan a. Okay, 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan a is common taking outside, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Inga 1 irukada meaning, so 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So this is our first answer. Okay. Hence proved first result. Next we put a and b also equal to 22.5 degree. Put a and also b is equal to 22.5 degree in this equation. So mark this as 1. We get 1 plus tan 22.5 degree, 1 plus tan 22.5 degree equal to 2. Here 1 plus tan 22.5, 1 plus tan 22.5, we write this as the whole square. Whole square equal to 2. Now taking square root on both sides, we get 1 plus tan 22.5 degree is equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay, therefore we want tan 22.5 degree only. So bring this 1 to right hand side, we get plus or minus root 2 minus 1. This is our answer. Okay. Next let us see 12th one. If tan a minus tan b equal to x and cot b minus cot a equal to y, prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. And given these two, firstly எந்த changes கிடையாது, first mark first equation, and second இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், இத tan term க்கு change பண்ண போறோம். So we know very well cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So using here 1 by tan b minus 1 by tan a equal to y. Okay, now taking LCM, that is tan a into tan b. Cross multiplying, we get tan a minus tan b is equal to y. Okay, tan a minus tan b is x. This is also given using here x by tan a into tan b equal to y, which implies x by y equal to tan a into tan b. So mark this as 2. Okay, next taking left hand side only, that is cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Take left hand side only, that is cot of a minus b equal to 1 by tan of a minus b. And we know the formula for tan of a minus b, that is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is equal to 1 plus tan a into tan b by tan a minus tan b. This is equal to, using these two equations, the first equation is tan a minus tan b is equal to x, and tan a into tan b is x by y, x by y by x. Okay, now taking LCM in the numerator, that is y plus x by x, this is equal to x plus y by xy. Now dividing separately, we get x cancel ஆயிடும். Okay, x by xy plus y by xy, that is 1 by y plus 1 by x, or 1 by x plus 1 by y. This is our right hand side. Hence proved. Understood. 14th sum. Find the value of tan pi by 8. tan pi by 8 ஓட வேல்யூ கேக்குறாங்க. First you have to write one formula, that is tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Here put a is equal to pi by 8. So 2 into tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to tan 2 into pi by 8, that is tan pi by 4. We know tan pi by 4 is 1. So our left hand side is 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Now cross multiplying we get 2 tan pi by 8 equal to 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Bring all the two terms to left hand side. That is first write square term tan square pi by 8. Next plus 2 tan pi by 8 and this one minus 1 equal to 0. This is of quadratic equation in tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு quadratic equation. அதாவது இது x square, இது x, இது constant term. Now using formula method to factorize, that is here a is 1 and b is 2 and c is the constant term minus 1. Next x, இங்க x என்றது tan pi by 8. Okay. So tan pi by 8 is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is 4 minus 4 into a into c, that is 1 into minus 1 by 2 into a. It is minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4 by 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus. This is 8, is it? 8 and 4 into 2 nedala. So root 8 becomes 2 into root 2. Root 4 is 2 into root 2 by 2. So we write this as 2 into root 2 by 2. Taking 2 outside, minus 1 plus or minus root 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, we get minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Okay, listen, this is tan pi by 8 and we know very well pi by 8 is acute angle. Pi is 180, 180 by 8 is less than 90 degree ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ இது வந்து ஒரு acute angleன்றதுனால பாசிட்டிவ்ல தான் இருக்கும். So our answer is since pi by 8 is an acute angle and therefore tan pi by 8 value is, take plus value only, minus value varadu, minus 1 plus root 2 ன்னு வரும், that is root 2 minus 1. That's all. I hope you all understood today's class. Do the homework and the example sums also. Thank you students.